our part to reveal it. So today, as Generation Z, we have dedicated ourselves to break this stereotype, and this is how.
Hello. Hello.
This is our honor to award the Nobel Prize to legendary physicist Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman along with $1 million, approx 8.5 crore in Indian rupees.
This was his fifth award, including the renowned title of FRS, which was later followed by the Bharat Ratna and many others. This was only the tip of the iceberg, but the real struggle lies beneath the deep ocean of life. This was not only the time of extreme hunger and poverty, but also the time of extreme helplessness, because this was the time of British rule. They were not only ruining the country, but also its citizens and their birthrights. And in this dark time, Mrs. Parvati Amal and Chandrasekhar Ramanathan Iyer raised C.V. Raman to heights which are unimaginable. Raman's father taught physics and mathematics at Presidency College in Chennai. Being highly interested in physics, C.V. Raman started taking lessons from his father. Once, he was suffering from fever. But he was so much involved in physics that his fever could not stop him from learning. That day, his father realized that his child was not an ordinary one. Beautiful roads leads to beautiful destination. This is what we learn from C.V. Raman sir. Now let's elevate to a year that changed the view of life that one sees. 1928. The time when he got invited by J.J. Thomson and Ernest Rutherford for his research in optics. The moment when he made his way to London for the very first time. He got himself indulged in the question that was receding history, that what makes water blue? And then he discovered a change of wavelength exhibited by some of the radiation scattered in a medium. The discovery that changed the scientific world. The discovery of Raman effect. The day This was the first time an Indian was sitting on the chair of the director of Calcutta University. This was Dr. C.V. Raman's way to show the world that we are not here to boast, but to show the world our knowledge. Under his directions, the world got to know great scientists such as Vikram Sarabhai, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, who made India proud by founding ISRO and attaining world recognition. CV has also founded one of the most renowned universities, the Raman Institute of Research and Science. While working on his research papers, the inevitable time came.
चाहे तुझको रब बुला ले, हम न रब से डरने वाले, राहों में डट के खड़े हैं हम। यारों से नजरें चुरा ले, चाहे जितना दम लगा ले, जाने ना तुझको ऐसे देंगे हम।
Goodbyes are painful, but what's more excruciating is saying goodbye to someone you thought would stay. Life is full of uncertainties. At one moment, you celebrate life. At another moment, you bury the pain of losing your gems deep inside the crevices of your heart.
People are temporary, but the pain and void caused by their absence is permanent. You never really forget that and always carry a piece of them that grows in your heart with the passage of time. Today, on the occasion of Science Week, we would like to recall Dr. C.V. Raman by his thought that since he is not more, but his teachings are,